Hey, do you know what it takes to own your own home? Well, if you've got just a quick minute, I'm going to let you know what ducks we got to get in a row to make it happen. First metaphorical duck. Call me, your friend in the real estate business. That way we can get started today. Duck number 2, I connect you with a knowledgeable and savvy mortgage consultant. That way we'll know how much purchase power you have to put toward the home of your dreams. Along with that is duck number 3. You want to have saved up at least 5 to 20% of that ideal purchase price in your piggy bank. Side note here, the mortgage guru is going to be able to point you in the right direction if your credit needs to be repaired or if there's any outstanding student debt weighing you down. Okay, duck number 4. Now this is where things start to get really exciting. This is where you get to start dreaming about what it is you want in a home. So we set up a search and find homes that you would like to go see. And then duck number 5, we start looking at homes in real life. And once you've found a few that would totally fit the perfect balance between dream and budget, we make our next move, duck number 6, the offer round. And that's when we make an offer. And one of 3 things will happen. Either it'll get accepted, they counter, or they will maybe not accept it, because unfortunately in this market that is a reality sometimes, which is why we found a few that might work perfect for you. Last duck is duck number 7, which comes with a whole nother set of ducks, which is why I'm here. But this duck is like, bingo, my friend, you are now in escrow and one step closer to your dream of owning a home. I'll talk to you soon, and remember, I'm on your team making things happen. I'll talk to you later, alligator. Bye.